Now we directly go into the topic combinational circuits. Okay, one of the important, one of the most important circuit, combinational circuit. I mean, the first thing that comes to our mind is the concept of adders. Okay, what is an adder? We are familiar with addition operation. You know, the digital computers perform a variety of arithmetic operations, of which addition has its own role. Okay, to perform the addition operation, we use adder in the case of design of logic devices. Okay, logic circuits, in fact. Okay, mainly we have two kinds of adders. First one is the half adder, and the second one is the full adder. Okay, a combinational circuit that performs the addition of 2 bits is called half adder. A combinational circuit that performs the addition of 2 bits is called half adder. Whereas a combinational circuit that performs the addition of 3 bits, of which 2 are significant bits and 1 is the previous carry, such a circuit is called full adder. A combinational circuit that performs the addition of 3 bits, 2 significant bits and previous carry is called full adder. Okay, when we come across the design of circuits, we should think that when we design small circuits, for example adder, subtractor, in such cases we just draw a small picture, right? That's the logic design. But when we consider a big circuit which contains a lot of there are a set of topics that we have not discussed yet. For example, we have adders, magnitude comparators, or parity bit generators. A variety of circuits. In such cases, all these circuits are made up of, or when we consider all these cases, we have a variety or a large series of what we call the logic devices used. Okay, for example, the basic gates and the universal gates, they all come into action. Okay, but when we consider small circuits, say for example the construction of the full adder, construction of a half adder, in such cases, what we need to do is we need to understand how these particular circuits work. Okay, and some people may get confused how the previous carry come into action, or what is the importance of previous carry in such a case. In many circuits, for example, the output of one circuit, this is one circuit, the output of this circuit may be, say for example, a bit. Okay, this may be propagated to another circuit. Say for example, this is a full adder. Okay, and this is a carry. In this case, the previous carry, this can be the previous carry. Okay, the previous carry, and this may contain two inputs A, B. This previous carry be C in, that is carry input. Okay, this can produce what we call two results, sum and carry out. Okay, I will explain it to you in detail when we discuss all these topics in the coming sessions. But here we need to understand that there are two basic adders. One is the half adder and next one is the full adder. Okay, and the operations basically performed here is what we have learned earlier, that is 0 plus 0 gives us 0, 0 plus 1 gives us 1, 1 plus 0 gives us 1, 1 plus 1 gives us 0 and a carry 1, which means 1 0. Okay, please.